Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so it does feel a little weird, so bear with me. Today I want to talk about my experience with digital art. I started my art journey with traditional art, so drawing with pencil and things like that in middle school. I started doing art because I started watching animes and I was really into drawing the characters and doing fan art. In my first year of high school, I got into reading more manga and I really wanted to join an art club or something to improve my drawings. There wasn't really any art club or any anime fan club or anything like that I still went to the after school just to draw. Second year of my high school, I got into an art class, but I had to transfer high school because the high school that I went to at that time was too far. When I transferred, I stopped drawing at all just because I feel like people around me didn't encourage it. And I stopped watching anime and reading mangas at that time because I was really into K-pop and K-drama. I didn't find school as fun, stopped caring about going to classes, but I still went sometimes, but I was absent a lot just because I feel like when I was at home, I could spend my time as I liked, but I had to stop that. I think last year of my high school, I started back drawing and I started back writing as well, which made me feel like I'm me again. I wasn't sad anymore. I had hope and ambition. Even if art and writing wasn't something that I wanted to do as a full-time job, it was still a hobby that I really liked and I could relax when I was having a hard time. I didn't realize until I got back into drawing again that I missed it a lot. Just because I didn't want to pursue art as a full-time job, or just because people told me that art couldn't make me money, it shouldn't be something I left behind. It should still be something part of me that I wanted to do. And I also realized not everything has to make you money for you to still continue doing it. I liked art, so that's what I wanted to continue doing. When high school ended, I think at that time I was the happiest I have ever been since the last few years. I didn't realize how sad and depressed I was. And I was happy that I was able to find my source of happiness again before I went into college, because I didn't want to feel like I was living for the sake of just living or just to make money. I feel like we all should pursue something even if it doesn't make us money. As long as it makes you happy, that's what's important in the long run. And just as an FYI, I did pursue accounting in college because that's what I wanted to do as a job. I did not want to do art as a job because I feel like once it becomes my main job, I'll stop liking it. I'll be forced to make art when I didn't want to, or when I had no inspiration to draw at all. Accounting was also something I was interested in as a profession, but art was a hobby, something I could relax. But right after I went into college for my freshman year, during the second semester, pandemic hit, so everything was shut down. We went into online learning. Art really helped me to pass my time when I had nothing to do while I was stuck at home. I also got into webtoon, webcomic, manhwa during that time, so I really wanted to start making comic or webcomic at that time. And I wanted to learn digital art, but I didn't have any resources to do that just because I didn't have any tools or any iPad or drawing tablet to start learning. But I did start drawing in sketchbooks. Before, I used to just draw in random paper and I will lose my art, but drawing in a sketchbook, I think really helped me to see the difference over the years. Which now I own a lot of sketchbook of my old art empty sketchbook for when I start a new sketchbook. And last year I bought an iPad to start drawing digitally. It was really hard at the beginning just because the way digital art works is very different from how I used to draw traditional art. But I am improving, I am trying new technique just so I could get decent at it. So I will start making my own webcomic. I have started this new webcomic that I post on Webtoon, which I will give a link to in the description of this video, and you can check it out. I only posted a episode, so I am trying to finish the second episode and post it within this month, but I have been busy with job hunting. I did graduate this year, May, with a bachelor degree, and I have minored in art and creative writing. But since I am unemployed currently, I just wanted to try posting more on YouTube just because that's what I wanted to do for a long time, and I also wanted to start my own webcomic while I am still currently looking for a job. And now is the best time to do it since I am unemployed and I have so much free time currently. And a little bit about this webcomic that I am currently creating. It's just a slice of life that I just wanted to go with the flow, have a clear structure of the plot or anything. I just wanted to be a lighthearted webcomic that I could create without any thought and practice on my digital art. But I am planning to create a more plot-driven webcomic in the future, probably next year. I'm not too sure about it now. I am making the story and working on the plot currently. So that is it for now. It was really nice doing this voiceover. I know it's my first time. I probably made a lot of mistakes, but thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.